Acrylics can be used in many different ways. But the important thing is that acrylics are sort of like a watercolor. Acrylics are water-based. There are oil-based acrylics, but the ones that I like are water-based acrylics because they become like watercolors. So for example, if you want a wash, you just basically add water and create a wash effect. If you want something a little stronger, you keep the water out and you create an effect where the acrylic's color will come out. This is an area where wash has been used. It's a lot of wash in the acrylic. This is an area where you see the acrylic paint, it's a little thicker. And thicker paint is called impasto. So for example, if you want the color to be bright and show exactly as it is, a true color, you want to create an impasto effect. If you want to wash it out, you add water. It's exactly like a watercolor, but the colors can be thick and stronger.